welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Advaita and today's YouTube video is going to be all about FC Road haul. So yes, I shopped again and I shopped in bulk. For information, let me tell you, I do not live in Pune, but whenever I happen to visit that place, I make sure that I'm going to FC Road and looking out at all of the new pieces that have come. So as usual, this video is divided into three sections. First is going to be the clothing section, second would be the footwear, and third would be the jewelry section. So without wasting any further time, let's get into the video. So guys, the first thing that I shopped for was trousers. अभी मेरा college भी start हो जाएगा within 2 weeks or something. So मैंने उसके भी point of view से काफ़ी shopping कर रखी है. As a result, I took these trousers and और एक मैंने black color में ली. I love the material, super soft, super duper comfortable. I'm sorry, I just quickly changed the setting of the camera क्योंकि वो बहुत ज़्यादा shake हो रहा था बीच बीच में. So both of these trousers, the beige one and the black one that I took, both of these trousers were super duper affordable because I got both of them. ध्यान से सुनना सज्जनों, both of them are for legit 500 rupees, which means 250 each. Bro, I was like mind blown and मेरे पास I want to take because I didn't own something in beige in bottoms. And yeah, I mean, that was a golden chance, so I just went for it. Alright, next piece देखते हैं हम. I got this. यार मैं तो इतनी आलसी हूँ ना भाई. I got this top, a navy blue top. Now this is sort of a button top, as you guys can see. तो ये on the days when I want to wear something sleeveless inside, but then college है, जैसे ये वाला top, this is sleeveless. तो फिर जैसे मैंने जैकेट ओढ़ लिया वैसे कभी कभी I can also get this on क्योंकि इसके buttons जो है वो unbutton होते हैं, तो you can wear it as a jacket. And I am right now a lot into these kinds of like navy blue colors. मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है and it complements my skin tone also. अभी थोड़ी सी मैंने कुर्ती शॉपिंग भी करी बिकॉज कॉलेज आउटफिट्स आर इनकम्प्लीट इफ़ यू आर नॉट शोइंग योर ट्रेडिशनल देसी एकदम स्वीट सा लुक. तो फिर आई गॉट दिस क्यूट शॉर्ट कुर्ती. अच्छा बाय द वे मैंने इसका प्राइस नहीं बताया. आई गॉट दिस ओनली फॉर 200 rupees. ऑलराइट, 200 या 100 प्रॉब्ली, आई डोंट नो, इट वॉज समवेयर इन बिटवीन. देन मैंने ली ये वाली शॉर्ट कुर्ती. दिस शॉर्ट कुर्ती वॉज फॉर 250 rupees. अगेन super comfortable and looks so good when worn over wide-legged jeans or even trousers. Next देखते हैं मैं शॉपिंग करी है. Okay, now this is a top. My sister got this, wasn't my choice, but obviously मैं उसके हर कपड़े पहनती हूँ. So yeah, that is like kind of a sister's code, right? You are always wearing everything that your sister has chosen. So yeah, this one. But again, a note to be kept in mind is check really very properly while purchasing anything from FC Road. Now this disaster happened at the back of the top. So हड़बड़ी में हमारा देखना रह गया, but you get such tops at a very affordable price, but then it's very important for you to check कि वो कहीं से डिफेक्टेड नहीं है, कहीं से उसके धागे नहीं निकले हैं, कहीं से थोड़ा डिस्कलरेशन नहीं है. That is our responsibility. So this one was for 300. Next up, we have this super cute kurti in pink color. ये fuchsia pink है sort of. It's not a light pink color. Probably camera में थोड़ा सा light दिख रहा है if I'm not wrong, but it is like a little dark. Not on the magenta side, but fuchsia pink है. And the best part about this is इसके पीछे you have a knot, so I can cinch my waist well. And I thought this is a steal deal because it was only for 200 rupees. So I was like मुझे लेना है because I'm gonna slay in college. Okay, so the next piece is not college point of view से, but I got this super cute mini dress. एकदम ऐसे क्रिसमस वाइब्स आती है इसके कलर को, इसके पूरे टेम्पलेट को देख के इट इज़ प्रॉबली चाइनीज बिकॉज ये देखो. Am I putting myself into trouble by saying that? But let's be honest on camera. I think it's from China. But I really like it because I only got this for 100 rupee. You know what? FC Road में ऐसे जगह रहती है कि like the seller sits and उसके पास ऐसे मतलब you know there are loads of clothes kept and हर एक is for 100 rupees and then if you have good eye आप ऐसे खोज के उसमें से अच्छे pieces निकाल सकते हो and that is exactly what I did because I don't think so dresses का 100 is ever the price. So yeah, proud of myself as always. Alright, we are done. मैं बस ये चीज़ दिखा दूँ. I got these 4 pairs of socks for 100 again. Like such a steal deal. This is the first one. I hope I'm showing it right. Yeah, this is the first one. Then we have this ये वाला print. Then we have this ये वाला print in the baby pink color. And last one is my super favorite bow detailing white color में. So yeah, 4 of these pairs just for 100 rupees, guys. Alright, that was it for the entire clothes section. Now let's move on to the next section, which is footwear. So I have got 4 pairs of footwear जहाँ पर एक ही मेरी choice है. Rest 3 of them are purchased by my mom. So let's start. सबसे पहले मैंने लिए थे ये वाले black flats. I wanted something staple, black in color, again from college point of view, and I absolutely love the comfort. It has this sponge kind of a thing, which is really very comfortable for the feet. So I really like this. This one was probably for 300 or 350 if I'm not wrong. Yeah. Next one are these. Again, my mom took this, but the choice was mine. Again, got this around 350 only if I'm not wrong. But I really like this. Again, this has a very cushioning surface, so very comfortable on the feet. Next ones are these. Again, chosen by my mom. Again, in the beige sort of a neutral warm tone. And yeah, again, perfect for office and she goes to clinic. So again, good for that. Last but definitely not the least, we have these bellies. Again, बहुत ही classy brown color में है. Very dark, looks very polished, elegant, aesthetic. So yeah, absolutely love them. Next up we have is the jewelry section. So सबसे पहले मैं दिखा दूँ, I got this jewelry piece. So these are basically ear cups. तो ये तुम्हारे कान में ऐसे आता है. You have to just screw it here and then इसको आप लूजन करके बेसिकली आपके इस वाले मेम्ब्रेन पर लगा सकते हैं. दे लुक सुपर क्यूट, समथिंग यूनिक, तो इसलिए मैंने ले लिया. I got this for 50. Next up, my love for jhumkas is never ever going to die, so I purchased these. So cute, so much Navratri vibes ke jhumke, and these were again for 50 rupees. Yeah, so pretty. Next up we have this rings ka set. Again, my sister got this and this was for 100, but I feel there are loads of rings inside. So 100 for this much is an okay price. Nice. Last piece that I got is this one. Now I saw my Pinterest board ka jo jewelry section entirely filled with this kind of a structure. So मैंने अभी तक इसे style नहीं किया है, but then you can, you know, create a bracelet out of it. You can, but this is something that's in trend. शायद इसके वजह से you know it is little overpriced. I won't say overpriced, but yeah, like somewhere in the middle. So this is it. I guess we're done with the haul. So guys, that was it for the haul. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Advaita V and follow for more such YouTube videos. Bye bye. Also, let me know what all kinds of YouTube videos would you like to see on this channel.